Hi everyone on YouTube. Today what I wanted to do was measure these different coins. These are 1 ounce rounds, and we've got an American Eagle, we've got a Canadian Maple, got a Buffalo round, there's a 10p to give you an idea of scale, and here's a Prospector round from the Pan American Mint. So what I've done is, I've got my calipers, digital ones, and then I've written down all the popular ones, but what I'm going to do is measure the ones I've got here and see if they match up to what they should measure. So if we start with an American Eagle, let's see that one. Right. Should have some gloves really. Alright, so we're on about 40.5756 millimeters, and obviously the coin's not going to be perfectly round, so I'm just going to twist it. I'll measure it again. I mean, that is almost perfect. So an American Eagle should be 40.6, and if you're in inches, do that. That's inches. Also, you measure the thickness. Now what you have to be careful with these are quite sharp, these bits here, and they're hardened. So you just got to be careful when you do it. So you're going to measure the thickness. So measuring about 3. Obviously it will vary. What you should do is take 3 measurings and look at the average. So 2.92. So an American Eagle should be 2.98. So this varies a little bit. So it's almost spot on there. So there's our American Eagle. Now we can do the Canadian Maple. Now what I've heard is these tarnish really easily. You know who I'm talking about. Late at night, getting 80 silver coins in front of the fire. Oh well, easily done. Right. So the Canadian Maple is 38.07. So that's 38.07, and it should be 38 millimeters. So that's pretty close. Now the Canadian Maples, because they're 4.9 silver, these are particularly soft. So I'm not going to measure the thickness, just in case it scratches it. I've also got a Buffalo round here. This Buffalo round, there's all sorts of different Buffalo rounds, and because they're not, doesn't tell you which mint it is. There's some of the coins are 37 millimeters, some of them are 39 millimeters. So I'm not really sure where this Buffalo round came from. But this one is 39 millimeters. So just under 39 there. So there's that one. And also, because I don't know which mint that comes from, I don't know how thick it's supposed to be. This is the Pan American coin. It's a really nice detailed coin. And this one should be 39 millimeters. Oh, we're not quite in the middle. Hang on a minute. Maybe that'd be easier. So 39.08. Spin it around a bit. This one is just about 0.1 of a mil too big. So yeah, hopefully I wanted to show you how to use some digital calipers to measure your coins and to check to see if they're fake or not. And what you do is you just go up on the internet. I'll at the end of the video I'll add some bit of text with all the sizes on, so you can measure your own coins and then find out if they're the real deal or not, because there obviously is fake American Eagles going around, but they're quite obviously fake. But if you're new to silver, you might not notice, so just be aware there are fake coins about.